Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about which herbs, natural blood purifier pills improve skin glow naturally. Everyone adores a spot-free skin, and it is a necessity for young aged individuals to have a clear skin. Clear skin not only desired for good looks, but it is also associated with self-confidence. So if you also wanted the secret remedy to improve skin glow naturally, then keep reading. In this post, you will get to know about the best natural blood purifier pills that are recommended by experts and trusted by both men and women to get a glowing skin. You are often advised to make your immune system stronger to have a healthy and glowing skin. Well, the secret to strengthen your immune system and the functioning of your digestive system lies in the regular dosage of herbal blood detox pills. The best remedy is Glycin Plus capsules that are demanded widely for its rich ingredients and herbs for beautiful glowing skin. Made from 100% natural ingredients, the pills work effectively on removing the toxins that are entering in your system through air, food and water. Try the experts' suggested remedy to have a smooth, supple and spotless skin easily at home. Why lots of people have acne and pimples. Your desire for spotless skin can be achieved easily if you are able to fight the biggest hurdle on your life, the presence of toxins and harmful agents in your body. These toxins often result in skin outburst, so make sure that you are able to fight with such harmful agents by taking natural blood purifiers pills. You can drink lots of water and have a balanced diet, but to make sure that the blood is purified, you need to take herbal blood detox pills that improve skin glow naturally and minimize the appearance of acne on your skin. Rather than putting extra efforts to get clear skin, you can take Glycin Plus capsules regularly that offer you endless benefits of herbs for beautiful glowing skin. Why experts suggest Glycin Plus capsules? Glycin Plus capsules are the most favorite remedy by people of all age groups who are fighting with acne and pimples. Even, experts also recommend taking Glycin Plus capsules regularly to improve skin glow naturally. The natural blood purifiers pills are becoming everyone's favorite because of its rare Ayurvedic herbs for beautiful glowing skin. Formulated from rich blood purifying agents like Kashirika, Kumarai, Kajumba, Anantmula, Amla and Chobchini, the capsules ensure that the digestive system is working properly. You can get a smooth and spot-free skin naturally. All the powerful ingredients of these pills are perfectly safe for consumption even for a prolonged duration. So you can make it a habit to take Glycin Plus capsules regularly to get clear skin at home. Benefits of Glycin Plus capsules. Trusted by both men and women, the pills are widely demanded to improve skin glow naturally and to cure the problem of constipation, which helps in removing toxins from the system. The herbal remedy promotes smooth digestion of food and improvement in the blood flow and nutrition to cells. Besides, the highly beneficial natural blood purifier pills are demanded widely for its endless benefits, such as purified and toxin-free blood, higher energy levels, removal of dark spots and blemishes, improved vitality, even skin tone and improved appearance. You can find more details about Glycin Plus capsules at naturagain.com. If you liked this video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates of other useful health video tutorials.